What if the secret to defying aging was already alive? Coral reefs are among the most ancient and complex living structures on Earth, built over thousands of years by tiny, soft-bodied creatures known as coral polyps. Though individual polyps live for only a few years or decades, the larger coral colonies they form can persist for millennia. These colonies are built from the accumulated skeletons of generations of polyps, layering calcium carbonate over time to create vast rock-like formations. In some cases, such as with black coral, colonies have been dated to be over 4,000 years old, making them among the oldest continuously living structures in the ocean. The key to this longevity lies in the coral's unique ability to regenerate and renew itself. As older polyps die off, new ones bud from the colony to take their place, maintaining the structure and slowly expanding it. This perpetual cycle of life and death creates a resilient system that, under stable conditions, can endure for centuries without interruption. Some coral species have evolved strategies to repair tissue, fend off disease, and outgrow damage from predators or storms, enhancing their chances of long-term survival. Crucially, many coral species live in a close, mutually beneficial relationship with tiny photosynthetic algae called zooxanthellae. These algae live inside the coral's tissues and use sunlight to produce energy, which they share with their coral hosts in exchange for shelter and nutrients. This symbiosis not only fuels the coral's growth, but also contributes to the vibrant colors of healthy reefs. In return, the coral provides the algae with carbon dioxide and a protected environment. This relationship is essential to the reef's health and one of the reasons coral can thrive in otherwise nutrient-poor tropical waters. Over time, coral reefs become bustling marine cities, supporting an extraordinary diversity of life. Fish, mollusks, crustaceans, sea turtles, and even marine mammals depend on the reefs for food, shelter, and breeding grounds. Despite covering less than 1% of the ocean floor, coral reefs are home to an estimated 25% of all marine species. The coral's ability to maintain itself through constant renewal allows these ecosystems to function across generations, often outlasting the lifespans of the organisms that rely on them. However, coral reefs are incredibly sensitive to environmental change. Rising ocean temperatures, acidification, pollution, and overfishing threaten their delicate balance. When stressed, corals may expel their algae partners in a process called bleaching, which can lead to mass die-offs. Still, the inherent resilience and ancient adaptability of coral species remain a beacon of hope. If conditions are restored, even bleached corals can recover, continuing their slow but steadfast construction of Earth's underwater cathedrals. Thanks so much for watching. If you thought creatures that defy aging were wild, just wait until you see what nature's real-life superheroes can do, from regeneration to invisibility. The next video dives into animal superpowers you won't believe exist. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you there.